hey today. Yes, I'm a little tired today. Uh, been over with my daughter. She was in the hospital. And she's home now, so she's okay. I'm coming to y'all with some Church's chicken. Crispy, some macaroni and cheese, and a fried okra. And yes, I'm gonna use the Church's hot sauce. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just doing a regular mukbang today. I'm tired and I'm hungry. That macaroni and cheese is good. Let y'all see it. See, it's good. It's not so bad. See my pretty hair. And fried okra. Mmm. I love turkey chicken. Look at this thing. Mmm. Sorry, I'm probably gonna get some burps today. Some burps. Mmm. That used to be greasy. Mm. This church is chicken. Mm. 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 Boy, I had some rallies, which is checkers rallies earlier. I had a taste for the deep sea double fish sandwich. And I had a cheeseburger and chicken sandwich. And I had the little chicken bites with the fries. And when I got it home and started unfolding burgers and stuff, oh my God. They were burnt, dried out. I started to take a picture, show y'all. The fish sandwich was, I mean, it was grease, just soaked in grease. And it looked like it was old. I took it back to the rallies. And the girl asked, she said, what's wrong with it? I said, you need to take a look at this food and see would you eat it. And she asked me, did I want a refund or want them to make me some more food? I said, give me a refund. I mean, you had one time to do my food like that. So I said, you know what? Turkish chicken, never had a problem with it. And rallies, normally the food is fresh. A couple of times I did go there, but this time it was like they got the burgers off the floor. The fish looked like it was maybe about 2 or 3 days old. That's how bad it looked. And the fries was cold and hard. Some people just don't care what they serve you. And that's how they make these businesses fold. Well, you gotta have fresh food. You have to. That makes people keep on coming back to you. About maybe, it's been about almost 10 years ago, I used to sell dinners. And I always gave people fresh food. They used to be waiting on me. Because they knew their food was going to be fresh and good. And I gave them a money's worth. You have to. Good service and first impression is a lasting impression on people. Especially when you're trying to do a business. Let me ask y'all this question. Okay, I go to this restaurant. Let's call it. They start out, they give you fries with your ribs and your catfish. They got some good food. Now, I noticed they put a sign up. And they said as of October the 1st, with your ribs or your catfish, you will not be getting no fries. Now, ever since I've been buying ribs, or if you buy a catfish dinner, you always get fries with your food. Because when you don't get fries with your ribs? So businesses, they start off good, real good, and they reel you in, and then they start getting skimpy with the food. You can't do that. What keeps people coming? Good food, and you getting your money's worth. me know what y'all think about that. Have y'all just ever got a rib tip and no fries is included? Or catfish and no fries was included? Let me know. Let me know if it's just me. We fried okra. Mm-hmm. Mm. I think I'm almost finished. No, I think I gave myself too much chicken. Mm. I can tell I'm tired. Putting forks in my mouth ain't nothing on it. It was delicious. Church's chicken used to be the cheapest thing you can get, and the goodest. Crispy. Looks like love the skin. I can just fry me some skin. Let me know down below, which part of the chicken do you like? Do you like the white meat or the dark meat? More of the dark meat is more juicier. White meat can be dry. Now, when I use my white meat, make my chicken Alfredo. And my taco. I enjoy roast chicken. I'm gonna flock it up. I got me a towel. And for y'all, I'm gonna do some challenges. Just that everybody be worth it. Sometimes it's hard for me to get them on my channel. My kids, they work. But I am. And I love y'all. And I'll be seeing y'all later. Love you.